In this video, we will learn how smart devices communicate in IoT systems. However, devices often use different communication methods. To solve this issue, IoT frameworks act as universal translators between devices. As a result, standardized protocols allow efficient data exchange. At the hardware level, embedded systems manage tasks using low-level instructions. In contrast, modern frameworks let developers use readable code for applications. For example, Arduino simplifies connecting sensors and controlling devices. Similarly, Python makes IoT networking and automation easier. In addition, the Raspberry Pi can host and manage IoT applications. By using specialized software, multiple devices can be controlled from one system. Before deployment, testing ensures reliable device responses. Therefore, combining hardware and software frameworks creates scalable IoT systems. Overall, IoT frameworks make seamless smart automation possible.
Subscribe for more content like this and start your prep today.